All right, make sure you try on your own first, okay, and then let's check with me. Okay, so this question asks you, if you have this mass spectrum, can you tell this compound contain, or this mass spectrum contain either bromine, chlorine, odd number of nitrogen atom, or none? Okay, all right, so we're gonna look at the M plus peak first. So right now I see, so we have M plus peak. That's probably M plus 1 down here. Little one is an M plus 2. M plus 1, M plus 2, almost 1-to-1 ratio. It tells you that, hey, that's the bromine. Okay, this compound, this spectrum, contain a compound, come from the compound that has bromine in it. Okay, one bromine. Okay, a little bit quick question. Look at these two peaks. There's two peaks right here. Do you think that these are the fragments, right? So smaller peak than a molecular ion peak. These are fragments. Do you think that these fragments contain a bromine or not? No. First of all, no. Okay. If the little one on the left side, this one right here, is an M peak, this is probably an M plus 1, not even M plus 2. So bromine 79 and bromine 81 has 2 atomic mass unit apart. There's only 1 atomic mass unit apart. No, they're not related. Number one. All right. And next one, you can look at the shape of it. Okay. Bromine 79 and bromine 81 ratio is 50.5 and 49.5. So you should see that bromine 79 is slightly higher than the bromine 81. The species that contain bromine 81. This one, the shape doesn't look like that. So no. Okay. Anyway, all right, moving on. So moving on. Next one in B, spectrum B. Let's see. We have, what do you see? Right there, there's an odd number of odd molecular weight. Okay, so if it's an odd molecular ion peak, it tells you, hey, it must be an odd number of nitrogen. Another thing that you can help you to confirm this. So think about this though. This is the molecular ion peak, the peak of intact molecule. Okay, anything else are fragments. So this molecule falling apart. Okay, so all this species does not contain nitrogen. If the nitrogen falls from the intact molecule, doesn't contain nitrogen, this fragment contain nitrogen. So when it's an odd number of nitrogen, you're gonna see the pattern. So some of this peak gonna have an odd number, some gonna have an even number. They kind of tell you, hey, there's a nitrogen. Okay. Next one we get 112. So that's an odd number of nitrogen. Okay, gonna be even. Or but what we say here, this is an M peak, this is M plus 2, right? M plus 1 here, this is M plus 2. This is a 3-to-1 ratio. That's gonna be a chlorine. Okay. Next one, let's see, 78. No 50-50, but no doublet here. No 3-to-1 ratio. Can there be an iodine? No. An iodine, iodine by itself weighed 127 AMU. Okay, so this M plus peak, not even 127. So no iodine. So this one probably nothing here. I mean, even number of nitrogen. Okay. All right, next one we get 184. Okay, look at right here. No doublet, no 3-to-1 ratio. What about iodine? 120, 120, 30, 40, 30. There's probably 127. Might be an iodine in it. Yep, that's how it works. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next video.